Picture a blazing summer day. A giant, glowing sun hangs overhead, melting the street into shiny black soup. Sneakers stick, air wiggles, you're desperate. Then salvation appears, an ice cream truck rolling in with a huge plastic cone on top like a dairy monument. You grab a towering triple scoop and attack it like a hero on a timer. Bite, bite, gulp, zap. Your forehead explodes. Eyes squint, knees wobble. It feels like a tiny ice warrior with a frozen spear just charged your skull, yelling, "Surprise!" Congratulations, that's brain freeze. And yes, it has a ridiculously fancy name, Sphenopalatine Ganglioneuralgia. Say it once slowly, or don't. It basically means a nerve near the roof of your mouth is very unhappy about the cold. Let's zoom inside your head like a cartoon camera. Welcome to your mouth. Up top is the palate, the soft, bumpy roof of your mouth, like a pink ceiling tile. Right under that ceiling lives a busy network of blood vessels, which in our sketch look like shiny red plumbing pipes carrying warm blood. Now imagine your icy bite landing on the palate like a winter blizzard hitting a tropical island. Palm trees panic, beach chairs flip, those plumbing pipes freak out. First, they shrink tight to protect heat. That squeeze is called vasoconstriction, which is just science for the pipes clenched like they saw a ghost. But your body changes its mind instantly. Too cold, send warmth. So the same pipes expand fast, rushing warm blood back in. Squeeze, then whoosh. That sudden change sets off alarms. Enter the messenger, the trigeminal nerve, drawn as a glowing golden telephone wire running from your face to brain headquarters. It starts ringing nonstop. Hello, a temperature emergency. Here's the weird part. The pain isn't actually in your brain, and it's not even really in your forehead. This is referred pain, which is when the brain guesses the wrong return address. The golden phone line delivers the message, but your brain points to the wrong spot and goes, "Ow, forehead." It's like getting a call from your kitchen and yelling at the front yard. Now meet the boss. Your brain is a drama queen wearing a crown, sitting on a throne with a clipboard that says temperature perfect. The brain is precious, squishy, and obsessed with staying warm. When cold shows up near its neighborhood, it flips into survival mode. Extra blood flow, loud pain signal, maximum drama. Absolutely not. We are not becoming a human popsicle. That's why brain freeze hurts fast and hard, but also why it fades quickly. Once the temperature evens out, the alarms shut up. So how do you defeat the ice warrior? With your secret weapon, your tongue. Press your warm tongue flat against the roof of your mouth. Think of it as a heated blanket for the palate. Warmth spreads, the plumbing pipes relax, the golden telephone wire stops screaming. In the sketch, the ice warrior melts into a sad puddle, and Brain Boss removes the crown and sighs, "Fine, crisis canceled." Quick recap before you grab another bite. You eat cold stuff too fast, the palate gets blasted. Blood vessels do the squeeze and swoosh dance. The trigeminal phone line panics. The crowned brain blames your forehead. Pain happens. You press tongue to palate, peace returns. Moral of the story, slow down, enjoy the ice cream like a civilized mammal. And if the forehead spear strikes, tongue to palate, warm it up, save the day. If this helped, like and subscribe, and tell us in the comments, what gives you brain freeze the fastest? Ice cream, slushies, or that friend who inhales smoothies?